How to fix site cannot be reached in Google Chrome in Windows 11 is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by left clicking the Windows Start button, clicking Settings or on the top right, or searching for Settings. There you go, best match should come up with this. Now on this page under System, you want to scroll down until you see Troubleshoot. Now we need to go to Other Troubleshooters. Most frequent will probably get you the internet connections on. Now you want to click Run. Detecting problems, troubleshoot my connection to the internet. There you go. Troubleshoot couldn't identify any problems. This will identify problems if your Google Chrome can't reach sites. If not, a different way would be to go to Find Settings and going to Network and Internet. Now under Network and Internet, you go to Advanced Network Settings at the bottom. Once you're there, under More Settings, go to Network Reset. Now a network reset will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. You will have to restart your PC afterwards. You need to keep your Wi-Fi passwords and all these things close by, because this reset will completely remove everything you've saved on your computer about your internet connection. You will then have to reinstate that by typing your password back in. If you're on a LAN connection or Ethernet, you won't have any problems. You would have to click reset now, restart your PC within 5 minutes, and you should be good to go. You should have fixed the site cannot be reached on Google Chrome in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.